Welcome to Visionary Designs. Today, we invite you to immerse yourself in the calm, sophisticated world of contemporary design. More than just a visual style, contemporary design is a sensory experience that transforms spaces into places of balance, harmony, and simplicity. In this video, we'll explore the essence of contemporary interiors, focusing on the atmosphere and feel of each space as we move from the entrance to the living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. Whether you're dreaming of refreshing your own home or simply seeking inspiration, let's take a journey through the beauty and serenity of contemporary design. As soon as you enter a contemporary home, you're greeted by a sense of calm and openness. The entrance is uncluttered, with clean lines and smooth surfaces that immediately set the tone for the rest of the house. The atmosphere feels light and airy, as if the space itself is taking a breath. Natural light flows through large windows or glass panels, reflecting off neutral-toned walls and sleek floors. There's a quiet elegance to the simplicity, where everything is intentional yet understated. You can almost feel the texture of the polished surfaces under your fingertips and the subtle warmth of the materials chosen. The sensory experience begins the moment you step inside. The sound of footsteps softened by a simple rug. The scent of fresh air from a nearby open window. The space is serene, giving you room to decompress, to let go of the outside world, and settle into the tranquil environment. In contemporary design, the entrance is more than a passage. It's a mood setter, introducing you to the calm, uncluttered elegance that will carry through the entire home. Moving into the living room, the space opens up, drawing you in with its effortless elegance. Contemporary living rooms are characterized by their spaciousness, light, and balance. There's a quiet harmony in how everything comes together. The flow of natural light, the play of shadows on clean walls, the way textures subtly enhance the space without overpowering it. The atmosphere is calming, a sanctuary from the busyness of everyday life. Here, every element speaks to balance. The open layout creates a sense of freedom, inviting you to breathe deeply and relax. The room feels grounded, with materials that are smooth to the touch and fabrics that are soft and inviting. While sleek and minimal, there's warmth here, a sense of coziness that comes not from clutter, but from the thoughtful interplay of light, texture, and color. You feel the crispness of the air, the subtle warmth of a sunbeam filtered through large windows, the gentle hum of the room's energy. It's a space that invites you to sit back, unwind, and simply be. The kitchen and dining area in a contemporary home is a space that feels clear, functional, yet beautifully connected to the rest of the home. These areas emphasize simplicity, where every element feels purposeful, yet the atmosphere remains light and welcoming. Imagine the sensation of moving through this space, the sleekness of countertops, the subtle sheen of polished surfaces, the open, unburdened flow from one area to the next. The air feels fresh, the lines clean and uninterrupted. As you walk through the kitchen, you notice how natural light interacts with the smooth surfaces, creating reflections and shadows that shift throughout the day. In the dining area, the mood is one of effortless calm. This is where form meets function. The room invites not just conversation, but also quiet reflection. You can almost hear the soft clinking of dinnerware on a minimalist table, or the gentle hum of conversation shared in a space that feels open yet intimate. There's a sensory clarity here. The cool touch of a countertop, the warmth of wood beneath your feet, the muted sounds of daily life that blend seamlessly into the background. In this space, the design serves a dual purpose, creating an environment that is both practical and pleasing to the senses, inviting you to connect with the space and the people around you. Step into the bedroom, and the atmosphere shifts into one of deep tranquility. This is a space designed for rest, a calming retreat that wraps you in softness and quiet. Contemporary bedrooms are serene. Every detail, from the color palette to the textures, works together to create a sense of peacefulness. The tones are muted, with gentle grays, soft whites, and natural hues that soothe the senses. You can almost feel the coolness of crisp sheets against your skin, or the warmth of soft fabrics layered thoughtfully to provide comfort without excess. The air here feels lighter, clearer, as if the room itself is designed to promote a restful state of mind. Light is carefully controlled, casting a soft glow in the evening or welcoming natural sunshine in the morning. Every detail contributes to a sense of balance. Nothing feels out of place or overwhelming. The bedroom feels like a haven, a place where minimalism creates calm and comfort. You are surrounded by softness and serenity, a sensory experience that invites rest and renewal. The quietness of the space, the delicacy of textures, and the gentle interplay of light all combine to create a room that encourages deep, uninterrupted relaxation. The final space we explore is the bathroom, which in contemporary design becomes a sanctuary for rejuvenation. The atmosphere here is one of understated luxury, a place to disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself. The surfaces are sleek and smooth, with cool stone or tile underfoot, and the gentle flow of water adding a calming soundtrack to the space. There's a spa-like quality to the bathroom's design. The air is fresh, the light soft, and the colors muted. You can feel the smoothness of polished surfaces, the cool touch of metal fixtures, and the warmth of natural elements like wood or stone. The space feels quiet, almost meditative, allowing you to focus on your own well-being. This room is a sensory retreat where simplicity invites relaxation. The minimalism of contemporary design creates a soothing environment where you can clear your mind. The sense of clean water and fresh air, the sound of water echoing softly, the sight of natural light reflecting off sleek surfaces. It all comes together to create a deeply calming experience. Contemporary design is more than just a style. It's a sensory experience that transforms how we feel in our spaces. From the light-filled entrance to the serene bedroom and the rejuvenating bathroom, every room is designed to promote balance, calm, and clarity. It's a journey through simplicity, where every element contributes to a sense of harmony and order. In a contemporary home, the atmosphere is always light, open, and free of clutter, yet filled with subtle warmth and understated elegance. The result is a home that feels both serene and alive, where every moment is an opportunity to connect with your surroundings and enjoy the beauty of simplicity. Thank you for joining us at Visionary Designs as we explore the sensory world of contemporary interiors. If you're inspired by the atmosphere of contemporary design and looking to bring this sense of balance into your own home, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Let us know how you create calm, elegant spaces in your home.